Privacy is a form of consent, is the ability for you as an individual to make choices about what it is that you want to disclose to the world.
The ability to be selective about how you reveal yourself to the world, I think, is the important aspect of privacy for me.
I think it's important, for people who don't have power to have privacy so that they have the ability to make choices about what it is that they want to disclose to the world. For powerful institutions, it's important that they be transparent so that we can hold them accountable for what it is that they do on our behalf.
So while I think privacy is very important for individuals, sometimes you actually want the opposite for companies or big corporations or big organizations like governments, so that we can, as people, ensure that they're operating the way we hope or the way we want them to operate. And ideally, and I think in the best case, that kind of transparency can be extremely beneficial for sort of society as a whole, because we can be more confident in our institutions and our companies that they're working for us instead of against us.
So open source code matters because it allows anybody the ability to verify that the software does what it says it's supposed to do.
Having free and open source software is really the best way to make sure that those security issues are known and fixed in a timely manner.
The sort of open source and some of the encryption and all that is just kind of the mechanism of giving users control of their data.
I think what it means to be an open source company is that we have a commitment to the broader community of software developers and to other people who are trying to use software in order to, add good to the world. Kind of willing to share what we create so that anybody else can sort of take up the torch and build upon the things that we have built upon. And it also allows us to participate in the broader community of software developers and specifically people who are building privacy and security tools. They could use our work, we could use their work. We all sort of get to work together towards a common end.
Another aspect of Least Authority's work is that we try to do things by design. So we have secure by design software and private by design software, where we put these properties into the software itself. You don't have to take our word for the fact that we can't see data that you're putting into the software. You can inspect the source code of that software and you can verify those claims. It's not private because we promise. It's private because that's the way the software is designed.